Right, Mama.
Okay, are we all done getting the sneezes out?
It's a drum.
Yeah, except it's a drum filled with mucus, so.
It's a drum. I want this one and this one.
Okay.
I want this one. I'm making the sneeze your nose.
You're gonna get the sneeze out of my nose?
You'll be so ouchy, Mama.
Okay. Ouchie. Thank you.
You feel much better.
I do feel much better.
Yeah, you will.
Ouchie.
You feel much better?
I do. Thank you for getting the sneezes out of my nose.
I'm welcome. I'm gonna put you right there, Mama.
All right, we're gonna go clean them.
I'm gonna go straight upstairs. See? You wait to the better. I want to do big one and you one.
Okay,
I want to do big one. I want to do big one.
let's go clean them.
It's just wrong. It's just wrong, Mama. And don't be sick. You'll be sick. You'll be sick, Mommy.
I'm very sick. You sound like you're sick.
I'm not sick, Mama.
You sound like you have a cold.
I don't have a cold.
Really? Why are you sneezing so much?
Sneezing and nosing.
You're not sneezing? Okay. Love you, little baby.